Are you having troubles with your pneumatic valve banks on CVD, PVD, ETCH, and other 20-plus-year-old tools? Troubles such as EV failures, CDA leaks, obsolescence, and low airflow? Are you tired of the midnight phone calls because your electric valves are failing? Well, Valin has a solution. Introducing Valin's Pneumatic Retrofit Solutions. These are drop-in replacements, fab tested, fab qualified. No modifications are needed. They are mechanically and electrically compatible with the existing system. How easy is it? It's easy peasy. We're offering the first installation for free and $0 down to try the Manifold for up to 60 days. I will personally be there to assist your equipment engineer or technician during the installation process.
Hey Joe, come on, good to see you.
Valin's Pneumatic Retrofit Solutions will put an end to all your pneumatic valve bank troubles and ensure seamless operation. Upgrade your semiconductor process equipment today. Contact Valin Corporation at 855-737-4716 or email us at manifold@valin.com to schedule your free retrofit installation at zero cost.